Hello everyone, I will show you how to create custom blocks for Gutenberg. If you go to a post, if you create a new post, you can see Gutenberg editor comes by default. And as you can see here, when you add a new text, you can see there are blocks on there. And if we check like options on here, let me see, you can see all the available blocks: paragraph, shortcode, image, example image on here. Then you can choose from media library or upload it. And also other block is this shortcut. Okay, but I can publish as well. Okay, just checks the page and we can see it's loading the content on here. So if we want to get more blocks, we can just download. So we can Genesis blocks. There it is. Just install it. Activate it. There it is. Okay, it asks you to refresh the page. Then I will go to the post, and if I add blocks, you can see there are blocks from Genesis. You can see on here, and we can add these ones, for example, this one, testimonial. Also, you can upload an image. I'm gonna upload an image. There it is. Let's check. There it is. You can see some design, the layout, the image. So it helps you to add these designs on your site. And you can find more in the blogs, I think. Okay. What happens if you want to add your custom block, like more not simple, like complex or with movement, dynamic images? How do you do that? In order to do that, we need to create our custom block, and we can do it. Just go to plugin section, Genesis blocks. Then just install this plugin, Genesis custom blocks. There it is, just activate it. There it is, just refresh as suggested. Okay, then just go to here, custom blocks. Just go to all blocks. You can see an example block. And here it is. This is simple. here in the example, you see a title, a description, a button link, and what you need to do then, for example, I'm gonna publish this. It asks you to add this content, this PHP file on this directory. So then you can load these fields, and then you can do whatever you want with CSS and JavaScript. So I will do that. So let's get started. I'm gonna create a new one. Okay, before that, since I will need to add custom functions or script on theme, I will create a child theme. So just go to the themes folder. Then I will create like Astra child. Then I will add the style. Then I will add this header. You can see the theme name, description, author, the parent template, and the version. And I think that's it. Then just activated the new theme. I will just go here. There's no screenshot, but I can do it. I can activate it without that. That's it. You can see it's activated. Then I need to add the custom blocks. Okay, here my custom block. You can see if I load it, it just, you can see two images, two images, alternative text, two titles, two descriptions, two links. You can add more. For example, you can add like I'm gonna add like other description one, and this will be a text. Here you can choose the field type. In this case, it will be just text, and I will add the other one, other description 2. It will be text. I will add this, the field with 50%. It's just to have it like organized, just like that, the field width. Okay, as you can see, we have two columns, one column that belongs to a group, and the other column that belongs to other group, and we will see the dynamic of this. Also, you can edit. For example, this is a link, and you can see the URL type is URL. Also here, for example, this is an image. You can see the field type is image. And the field label, just that. It's simple as that. Example, other description. Okay. Okay, I will just update it. There it is. Okay, now it suggests you to add this block on here. So I will do that. So just go to the child theme or your theme, your current theme. Okay, so I will adjust blocks. Then it will be the name of your block, which is that. Okay, then put the PHP file, which is block.php. Also, you can add the CSS, which is block CSS. There it is. Okay, now here we can get the fields, but first we need these fields have information. So I will create a new post for this. For example, I will go to posts, then go to test sample here. I will delete these ones. And there it is. If, for example, I go on here and we will search our custom blocks. So I will use the search test custom blocks. You can see here my custom block. Okay, we will require to add the information. For example, for image 1, we need an image. I will add like this image. The other one need image as well. For example, here, image 1 alternative text, bear, a bear, a cow, title 1, a bear walking, title 2, a cow having fun. Then you can add the description. So I will just add this repetitive text also for the cow as well. The link, put your links on here. Also another description. There it is. We have all the information, just update it. There it is. For example, if we will need to get this information. How can we do that? Just go to custom blocks, go to your custom blocks. Yes, for example, copy this, go to your editor. For example, I will add this image tag. Okay. I will add an attribute escape. Okay, in this case, we need to use this function, which is block, field. There it is. I think that's it. Also for image 2, let me check. Is the same, just the name is changing. Okay, I will check on here. Okay, just refresh the page, and as you can see, it's showing the images from our custom block, so it's working. And now we can show the description as well. These descriptions, also the titles and the rest. Okay, I will go to example title 1. So you can see title 1, title 2, description 1, description 2. I think it's okay. Okay. Block field title 1. Okay. Title 2. For the paragraph, there it is. We'll copy this. Description 1. Description 2. Okay, let's check it out. And as you can see, it's showing fine. The titles are showing for our custom block, also the descriptions. And in this way, I can add all the fields on here, add some layouts on JavaScript as well. So I will do that. And also all this code will be available in GitHub. I will leave the link on the description video. Okay, here it is. You can see I added this layout. You see many divs and classes. Also the JavaScript that make the dynamic. You can see on here. Also the CSS, which gives a style. And let's check how it looks in the front. Just go here and refresh the page. There it is. Look how it works. You can see it's at the moment this custom block shows like one content, and if you click on here on the second image, it will show the second content of the second group. In this case, the all related with cow, with the links, anything else you can see on here. And you can see the other image is like darkened. It's like hidden, but not hidden. But you can see if you hover over the image, you will see this text. Click here for more info. As you can see, the picture increase the size and is colored, and the other is is like gray, and also here is showing the content of the current selected image, which is this one, the bear. So it's working fine. And here the link. So I think it's simple. So here you can do whatever you want with HTML and CSS, and of course with JavaScript, which is this. I will leave the link so you can download this this code, so you can use it on your site. I think that's it. Just let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you for your attention.